Good morning, SMF MMTs. It's gap Monday morning, 5/9/2011. The gap that we have now was up about, we've had a pullback in the NASDAQ futures. They were up around 12.5. They're at about 6. The Dow futures, which were way up to around 60, are now down below. We have oil gapping up. Crude oil is up, still below $100 a barrel, but like any one big day sell-off, you're going to have bounces shortly thereafter. Then they roll over, then they make lower lows. The U.S. government, we have seen a contraction and a pullback in commodity-related prices. So basically, that's a different subject. But the ones that were sold down the most, EOG is on the gap list. This is one of the SMF highlighted stocks. We like some of the commodities in here, particularly the one with the very good earnings that are finally working some of their overbought level off. DEO, which was a new feature last night on Sunday on live videos, that it's a good company, but it's overbought. Caterpillar pulled back nice. CAT, anytime this thing pulls back in this cycle, we like it. It's leveraged back up, but it got down there and it's bounced $3 up off the lows. Those are the trades that get short-term, quality short-term pullbacks that are going to bounce in bull cycles. This market is still in its bull cycle. We had the 5-day correction. Now we're going to see what this 5 days is about. Earnings season's winding down. EOG, when it pulls back, it's a $1.96 gap. This is the NYSE gap up, and it's long in its list, and it's all the stocks that got sold off in the last 5-day period. Miners, drillers, oil services, commodities, copper right here, FCX, steel, all of those companies were correcting in their bull cycle. We got the biggest one-day drop in oil. We'll do an oil special today outside of this pre-market. On the other hand, on the gap open down list today, we don't have that much of a gap down list. And why this is doing that, man, let me sort this. I shouldn't have to do that. Here, SISSL, HBC, Budweiser, the gap is very diminished. And the gap open up in the 5-day counter trend is very strong, as we know down here. So what I'm going to say is that we still remain at overbought levels on indexes, that bear and bull cycles have a process, and that the top end of wherever that resistance is intraday will be a short for a short-term pullback intraday with profits on the NYSE.